Hi, and welcome to my presentation of oral health. Childhood decay is one of the most common chronic disease in children in America, being between the ages of 2 and 11, and the most significant increase is noted in those that are of 2 to 5 years of age. Dental researchers have studied various factors as co-determinants of oral health disparities, such as socioeconomic status, poverty level of the family, ethnicity, insurance coverage, developmental or acquired tooth and skeletal anomalies of the child. Priority population is the Hispanic, Latinos, Asians, African Americans, Alaskan Natives. I chose social cognitive theory because it is a direct observation of someone brushing their teeth, and then the children try it. And this creates a modeling effect, and also it promotes behavioral change. Also, it helps them understand why they're doing what they're doing. And the main concept of social cognitive theory is self-efficacy, which is positive reinforcement throughout the session of oral health concepts and behavior by the presenter. This results in positive behavioral and clinical outcomes for children. The target audience is 5 to 6 years old, usually kindergarten and first grade. Early interventions have a high impact on children. It helps them to know how to brush their teeth well. It helps them to understand the concepts of having a cavity. It helps them to decide what choices of snacks that they're going to choose. And also, when we intervene at the elementary school level, it does reach all ethnicities and all those of all the different levels of socioeconomic status. Research studies show that children who received a behavioral intervention developed fewer cavities and had less dental plaque through an improvement in their oral hygiene. A call to action. So we have health activities for the children. One of those is teaching them about nutrition, good choices, about a happy tooth or a sad tooth. Another is taking the time and demonstrating brushing on a puppet. And then on the third activity, it was about teaching children how to floss with an egg crate and yarn. And I'm sorry. And here are my references. Thank you.